Having a crush on someone is one of the best feelings one can experience. You see him or her walking in the hallway, and you can't help but gush over how well your crush carries himself or herself. You see him or her smile, and you can't help but think about how perfect that smile is. You can't help but admire his or her own unique qualities, and you can't help but daydream that someday he or she will be yours. But who wants to keep daydreaming? Of course, you want your crush to at least notice you. The only question is how. How will you impress your crush? 13 ways to impress your crush and get them to like you. If you're one of those people who want to make a move but can't find the right time and the right way to catch your crush's attention, then this article is for you. Here are some ways to impress your crush and get them to like you. 1. Wear your invisible crown. Remember that confidence is sexy, so be comfortable with your own skin. Be proud of who you are. Show how much you enjoy the things that you love doing. Embrace your imperfections and stay confident. Your crush might find you so attractive, seeing how confident you are as a person. 2. Stay independent. Being independent is one of the best qualities a person can have. Show your crush just how you can accomplish things without relying on other people. How you can decide on your own how you stand for what you believe in and what you think is right. Your crush might get impressed, seeing how strong and independent you are. 3. Groom yourself. It can't be denied that being physically attractive can make you a real head-turner. However, remember that you don't have to look like a celebrity to impress your crush. Have your own fashion sense. Pick the style that you find most comfortable. Get a new haircut. Take care of yourself. Think of it as a way to reward yourself. Getting your crush to notice you is just a bonus. 4. Stay fit. In connection with grooming yourself, you might also want to stay fit. You don't need to get the perfect body to impress your crush, but remember that staying fit means staying healthy. It also shows how disciplined and dedicated you can be, and your crush might find these traits sexy. 5. Talk about your passions in life. Talk about how much you love the smell of books. Express how much your toy collection means to you. Tell your crush how much you love traveling and what's the best part about traveling. Talk about your goals and dreams in life. Reveal what kind of stories move you. Seeing someone's eyes sparkle while talking about his or her passion is a major turn-on. So, show your crush how passionate you are about so many things. 6. Show that goofy side of you. Never be afraid to show how quirky you can get. Never be afraid to share your crazy ideas. Dance even when you're not good at it. Sing even when you're out of tune. Enjoy being you. Your crush will appreciate it if you or your normal self. You never know how much your quirkiness can positively impact your crush's life. 7. Have a sense of humor. Laughter is still the key to someone's heart, so don't hesitate to share with him or her some of your embarrassing stories. Crack a joke. The joke itself might not be funny, but your crush might giggle seeing how cute you look throwing all those jokes. You two will end up laughing your heads off. 8. Keep genuine interest. Ask questions about his or her interest. Make your crush feel that you're willing to listen to him or her. Make him or her feel that you want to know more about his or her life, childhood, dreams, and principles in life. Ask about his or her pet peeves. Ask about the things that matter the most to him or her. Your crush might end up appreciating you for being such a good listener, which can be the start of a more meaningful relationship. 9. Find common ground. When you get a chance to talk to your crush, make sure to know your common interest. You might have the same favorite movie. You might have the same hobbies. You might be experiencing the same struggle right now. Just try to open up and let those common interests lead you to deepen your relationship with him or her. 10. Be kind. One of the easiest ways to impress your crush is to show how genuinely kind you are. He or she would love to see you helping other people and being active in some volunteer programs. Show him what a good heart you have. Influence him or her with the things that you do for people. You two might develop a different kind of connection with each other. 11. Be a friend. It all starts with a friendship. Be there for your crush. Make time for him or her. Make your crush feel that you're someone who can be trusted. Don't be too focused on making him or her like you. Rather, focus on becoming a good friend. Do that first before attempting to become someone more special in his or her life. 12. Be spontaneous. Not everyone is brave enough to be spontaneous, but you sure can do it. What about randomly asking him or her out for a cup of coffee? What about inviting him or her for a road trip? If your crush says yes, then you'll have more chances to discover more about each other. 13. Be yourself. Being the real, you are still the most important thing of all. Your goal is not just to impress your crush, but also to get him or her to know and appreciate the real you. Don't get too pressured in presenting your best self on social media just so he or she will keep liking your pictures. Simply embrace who you are and let him or see how lovable you are in your own way. Yes, it's never easy to impress your crush. Sometimes you end up getting disappointed. However, as mentioned in the article, you have to stay confident, independent, goofy, kind, and be who you are. Remember that there's nothing more attractive and impressive than being the best version of yourself.